Hi friends, the steps I'm going to explain today come from technicians who have been working for years in this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to fix it. When your air fryer starts smelling like burning plastic, the first thing we always point out in the shop is that most of the time it's just factory residues or protective coatings on new parts. Several clients have told us, I turned it on and there was a strong burning plastic smell. I thought it was going to catch fire. Technicians clarify that this doesn't always mean a serious fault, but it's important to understand it because there can be several causes. Many clients have noticed that the smell disappears after a few empty cycles. This happens because manufacturing residues or coating oils burn off with the initial heat. One client told us that after running the first empty cycle, the smell disappeared and the fryer was ready to use normally. This is also confirmed. Smell went away after the first empty run. Technicians in this shop always recommend doing this step before cooking any food because it prevents initial odors from affecting your meals. Some clients notice the smell when cooking very greasy or wet foods. They tell us after several runs with oil or sauce, it started smelling like burning plastic. Technicians explain that grease that drips or builds up near the heating element can carbonize and produce a plastic-like smell. That's why we always recommend thoroughly cleaning the tray and the interior after each use. There are also clients who brought in units where the smell came from poorly placed plastic parts or accessories not designed for high heat. One client said, I was using a plastic mold not meant for the fryer, and it started smelling burnt. Technicians always advise using only the accessories recommended by the manufacturer to prevent heat damage and unpleasant odors. Some clients have discovered that the smell comes from the cord or plug, not the fryer itself. One client told us, I thought it was the air fryer, but the smell was actually coming from the cord that was loose in the outlet. Here we recommend checking that the cord is in good condition, that the outlet is stable, and, if possible, using a surge protector, because an unstable connection can heat nearby plastic parts and cause that smell. Finally, in more serious cases, where the smell is strong and persistent, there may be internal faults in the electronics or insulation of plastic components. Some clients tell us the smell doesn't go away even after cleaning everything. Technicians explain that this can indicate overheating of internal parts, and in these cases, it's essential to turn off the unit and take it to a specialized service center for inspection or part replacement.